what I'm going to do here is show you some of the basic functionality of Planboard and how you can use it. So here I'm in the day view, and if I click on the lesson for the first class here, one feature I mentioned is that you can hyperlink, which you see here. So say I want to link to my class website. So I'm going to go introduce class website, and then if I want to actually hyperlink this, go here, and click on hyperlink, and insert link, and just put my class website here. So it's I'm going to go click open link in new tab, which means I'll actually open up a separate tab for me here in a sec. And you'll see it's hyperlinked there. So I'm going to save. And say I went to my weekly view now. You'll see it here. And if I actually click on this, it's actually open up a new tab and go to my class website here. Another nice feature, say I also want to show a quick video of this class. I might go Ken Robinson video. I can actually put the video right in my lesson plan. It's a really nice feature that way I don't have to leave and go somewhere else to find it. So up here, you can see the insert video button, and it asks what's called an embed code. And a lot of websites will give an embed code. You can do this with YouTube, TED Talks, Vimeo is a great one too. So I got an example up here for Ken Robinson. To show you to get here, if you come to find a video in here, within Vimeo, this is the share button right here. And so what I'm going to do, it offers me the embed code here. So I'm going to do is click, and it highlights it all. I'm going to right click and click copy. I'm going to go back to Planboard now, and I'm going to insert that embed code here by pasting it, and click on insert. And you can see the video actually shows up right here. And what's really kind of cool about this, now if I open up this specific lesson plan here, I can actually hit play and watch the video right from within my lesson. It's really nice if you use Planboard within your classroom to pull things up very quickly for your classes, having multiple tabs open again. Okay, another feature I want to show you is kind of some setup basics here. So if you click over here, you highlight, and you see there's your planner right here. Come back to your planner at any time. Standards and expectations, we'll talk about again. You can pull those up and do that right here. So if I click on this, you can see I've added the curriculum expectations for my grade 10 academic English class. It goes through all 85 of them. I haven't covered any of them yet because it's the start of the term. You can view or unassign that way here. You can add other ones on. If I want to go back to my planner, I click on the planner button at the top here. You can see I'm back into the week view. Another really nice feature, if you go down and click onto your account, you'll see some options here. If you ever need to change your password, you can do that. You've got some settings to play around with here. What I want to focus on right now is my classes. And over here, you'll see off days. It's a really nice little feature. If I click on off days, I can click add holidays, and it's going to ask you to pick your country. I'm going to switch over to Canada here. Click add. And we'll bring over the default holidays for Canada, the very common ones. So you can add all these here, and they've been successfully added. You can also add in other off days for your schedule. So for example, your professional development days for the term, different board by board. You can just simply click add and go and add what it is. I can put PD day and add a start date and end date, and that'll be added there. Cancel that. I'm going to go back to my planner. For example, let's look at Good Friday on April the 18th this year. Go back to my planner, click on month view, and you can see my plans here, month view for February. If I jump ahead into April here, and go back to the week actually, and you'll see that it's blocked off now for this day. So you can see it says Good Friday here. If I jump ahead to the next week, Easter Monday is also blocked off. This is really nice if you're planning to make sure you kind of got those covered down. You don't plan ahead and have to go back and copy and paste a whole lot of things in. One other kind of thing to note on that idea, jumping back to my first week here. Say for example, you have problems you're planning, you had your whole term planned out, and then you have a snow day. You can see these little drop down arrows for the feature here. If I click one, and I can turn this into an off day for whatever reason, I can also shift it up a day. So if I want to add something to my lesson plans, I can shift the whole day. I get a warning from Planboard to make sure I want to do this. If I click OK, it's going to take my Thursday and move them ahead to Friday. If I want to shift it back, same thing, come back here, go shift a day, checking from Planboard, click OK, and I'm good and it's back. Okay. The other features in there that you noticed, I can print the day right from here. I can turn it into a PDF. So I'm going to click PDF here. I get a PDF look at that day. You can also clear a day if you want to just erase it there, or go to the view day right from here. Within an individual lesson, if I close this here, I can also shift just a lesson up a day. So say last second I change what I just want to do for this class, but the rest of the day is going to stay the same. I can shift it up a day or back a day here. So if I click on shift, click OK, let's move just that day up. I want to move it back, same thing. All right, there's some basics for some functionality within Planboard.